In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a carbon copy recipient to a document on Docusign. Adding a carbon copy recipient is an excellent way to keep someone in the loop, ensuring they get notified about the document without the need for their signature. So let's dive into the steps on how to do this. First, make your way to the Docusign website. You can do this by simply typing in their address into your browser or searching for Docusign on your preferred search engine. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. From here, we need to click on Home once more to familiarize ourselves with the setup and ensure everything is in place for the next steps. Now, you'll want to navigate to the Templates section. This is where you can manage your templates, which makes adding recipients much easier and ensures that your documents are all set up before sending. In the Templates section, locate the specific document template for which you want to add a carbon copy recipient. Once found, look for the three-dot icon, often situated near the right edge of the chosen template. Clicking on this icon will give you more options. Among these options, you'll see Edit. Go ahead and click Edit to enter the template customization interface where changes can be made. Once inside the editing interface, you will notice various options concerning the roles of recipients. You will first come across Needs to Sign, which is generally the default setting for when a recipient's signature is required on a document. We're looking to ensure a recipient gets a copy without the necessity of their signature, so go ahead and click Receives a Copy. You'll see a space where you can input the recipient's email and name, making sure that this person will receive, not sign the document. This setup ensures that the designated person gets an email notification with a copy of the document. It's critical for keeping involved parties informed without prompting any action beyond viewing. Double check the details you added to ensure accuracy, as this will avoid sending the document to incorrect recipients. And with that, your document is now set up to include a carbon copy recipient. Remember, anytime you need someone to just be in the loop, this feature can be a real time saver by keeping communications clear and organized. So, that's all there is to it. I hope you found this guide helpful and intuitive. Feel free to share your feedback or ask questions in the comments below. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.